Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by removing the titanium exhaust and securing it safely. Use jack stands or a lift and label all connections so reassembly is smooth. Once off, apply a high-temperature degreaser and let it sit for 5–10 minutes, then wipe with a microfiber cloth to remove oil and road grime. Make sure to inspect the whole pipe closely for holes, deep scratches, and areas of blue or brown discoloration so you know where to focus your next steps. You now move into sanding and polishing. Start with 320 grit to remove oxidation and deep marks, then progress to 600 and finish at 1000 grit for a smooth base. Once sanded, apply a metal-specific polish or an aluminum polish suitable for titanium and buff at low speed, making sure to follow the tube's grain for consistent results. If you want a satin look, use Scotch-Brite pads gently. Also protect flanges and welds with heat-resistant tape to avoid accidental damage during polishing. You finish by cleaning polished surfaces with isopropyl alcohol, and if your polish recommends, perform a heat cure to lock the finish. Reinstall the exhaust using new gaskets and torque the bolts to manufacturer specifications, then start the engine and inspect for leaks and correct alignment. Adjust as needed. If persistent bluing or rapid recoloring returns, consider a ceramic heat coat. Slightly change fueling/timing to reduce exhaust temps, or water, quench small sections to test different mitigation approaches.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.